The TRIOS Core comes in a box consisting of 2 layers. To begin the unboxing, prepare some space. Remove the foil and carefully open the top lid. In the top layer you will find the TRIOS setup guide with QR code, as well as an instruction leaflet for connecting the TRIOS Core with the pod. Five tips for the scanner. And the scanner with protection tip. In the bottom layer you will find the safety and setup guide manual, the dongle, a USB stick, the scanner base, a connection cable, the calibration target, a color calibration adapter, and a 3D calibration adapter.